Awesome. So now we know the purpose behind our Instagram content, and every time we post, we're going to be asking ourselves, what is the purpose of it? I want to walk you through the actual types of content that you can post on Instagram. So there are three main types of Instagram content that you can post to your account. You've got Instagram photos, Instagram videos, and Instagram stories. Now, Instagram photos and videos are very similar. You post them to your actual Instagram account, and they're going to stay there forever. Instagram stories, on the other hand, are normally staying for just 24 hours, and they will disappear. We're going to get into the purpose of each of these types of content together and walk you through some examples, but you need to understand that photos and videos go in a category together, and then Instagram stories are in its own category of content. So, what are Instagram photos? Instagram photos are an image that you post to your Instagram profile. It's very straightforward, very basic. I'm sure you've seen a lot of Instagram photos on Instagram. Being a user of it, you can see there's a tram, a nice pretty tram in Melbourne. There's a plate of cheesy stuff, French fries or curly fries or something like that. There's a Kellogg's Loops is a digital artwork, and Nat Geo has posted this amazing photo of a shark. Videos are similar to photos, and they will also go on your Instagram profile page. And you can see there's Chipotle's posted this person making a burrito bowl really efficiently. You've got BuzzFeed Tasty posting a recipe here in form of a video. Then ESPN's got a video of some girl running on a baseball field. So essentially, the photos and the videos are both going to be posted to your profile page. Here are the photos, and here are the videos, all going to be posted to your profile page. And then Instagram stories. So Instagram stories are an ephemeral form of photo and videos, as you can see in the examples below. You've got videos on the left and the right, and a photo in the middle, and they disappear after 24 hours. So they're linkable, and they have a very high engagement rate, and we're going to show you exactly how we're going to use them to grow your account and sell your products. But you need to understand they can be both a video and a photo, and they disappear after 24 hours. So I want to walk you through the pros and the cons of each type of content that you can post to Instagram. So you can see at the top we've got photo, video, and story, which we just went through together. And I want to go from top to bottom on the categories of why we would actually use that type of content. So you can see that photos are very easy to create, where videos are not easy to create. It's going to take a lot for you to create a video, a lot more effort that goes into that. And a story is, again, easy to create because it can be a photo or a very casual video if you're putting a video inside of the story. Photos don't have high engagement rates, but videos do. Many people are going to stop and watch a video because they autoplay on the Instagram newsfeed. And stories have ridiculously high engagement rates. High virality. So photos, yes, you can go viral with a photo posted to your Instagram account. You're more likely to go viral, and this is a really cool strategy by posting high virality videos to your Instagram profile, such as the Lamborghini one that we showed you in the last lecture. And stories don't have the ability to go viral because they're not as shareable and not as discoverable if you don't follow an account as the other two types of posts. Casual trust builder is a very big one. So casual trust building is basically showing behind the scenes content, showing very casual content that can improve trust and improve affinity with your audience. And this is where stories really do excel. They're a much more casual, laid back type of content that you can post. Descriptive caption, you don't get a descriptive caption on your story, but you do on your photo and video. So you do want to be making sure that you're taking advantage of this when we're posting our photos and videos. And linkable. Remember, photos and videos aren't linkable, but stories, you can actually put a link in there and have a call to action for people to go visit your website or go off-site wherever you want them to go. So what does this actually mean? This means that stories are really, really good for increasing trust and affinity and making sales for your business. One, because they disappear and go away, so you're not stuck with a bunch of sales stuff on your Instagram profile. Two, because you can really have something laid back, something that's very easy to make, and something that gives people an insight into your business and builds trust with them. Video. Videos are great for reach and trust. They're much better for reach, and photos are much better for trust, but both of these, photos and videos, excel in the first two categories. Whether you want to reach more people, or you want to make your Instagram page really discoverable by relevant and targeted people that don't know that you already exist. And then you want to build that trust and affinity with them so you can push them towards the sale. So when we're making our content, we want to keep these in mind. Our Instagram stories are going to be used for trust and sales, and our videos and photos are going to be used for reach and trust.